Saturday, guys! How beautiful today! Today is Saturday! And look at the weather. It's so very pretty. Pretty like my husband. It's pretty. Wow, very good. So I have a share with you guys. Excited. Come on, let's go check. Meron akong i-share sa inyo kung ano to. Nakaka-excited tingnan yung dragon fruit na bulaklak man yan. Wow, promise siya ha. Very pretty yun siya, no? Wow. Woo! Ayan guys, yung ano natin guys, oh. Yung isa, so I already harvested over here. So, and I ate it. It was very sweet. Oh wow, that's really huge. Flower is so big. Ito hindi siya na ano, oh. Wow, so ito hindi siya na ano, na bulak, hindi siya na fruit. So tanggalin na natin to dahil wala na to eh. This is gone. So that's gone. Hopefully this one she become a fruity because she's very pretty. Yan lang guys. Thank you for watching sa ating share today video. Have a happy weekend. Bye-bye.